Hi creatives, Dimma here, and on today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how I made this gorgeous turtleneck that you can see on the screen. Is really beautiful and you will want to know this process of making this is really a unique one. I have a couple of turtleneck tutorials on this channel, but it is not like this, okay? If you want to know how I did this beautiful turtleneck, then you have to stick around till the end to see through the whole process of making this turtleneck. I'll also link the other ones that are on this channel on the description box so that you can view them if you want to see them. So to make the turtleneck, you have to have your top ready just like this, and you will measure around your top where you want this turtleneck to be, okay? So this is what I did, and I got 16. Now the next thing to do is just to go ahead and get your paper. This paper is on fold, right? And I measured 8. You know, I got 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And now I'm measuring the width of the turtleneck, and that is 1.5. That is what I just did here, and I will go ahead and cut it out. It's really an easy method to make your turtleneck, and it's also lovely, and I know that you will like it. I also like this method as well. I'll also link the rest of the methods in the description box so that you can view them and see the one that you prefer when you make your turtleneck. See how I smoothened that edge? That is how I want that place to be. And see how I folded it again. You know this paper is all folded already, and I folded it again. So I put a notch there and also put a notch at the middle, okay? I'm opening it up now. You can see the notches there. So I have 3 notches, okay? Notches on 3 points. And I kept my paper on fold. It's folded like this. So it will be giving me 2 pieces of this. And I am pinching in 1/4 inch there. That is what I did. I just pinched in 1/4 there, okay? 1/4 is what I used there. And I will go to the next notch and mark 1/4 again. That is 1/8 inch on each side of that notch, which will give you 1/4. Then I pinch it in. Please, what I'm pinching did not get to the other side of the neck. That is the side that will be attached to the neckline, okay? It is just on the upper side where I'm pinching it, okay? I smoothened it like a dart towards, and it ends before the lower part of the neckline, of the turtle neckline. I hope you understand. So this is what it will give when you are done. It will just give a curved sort of pattern like this, and you will go ahead and cut it out. As easy as that. I guess you already know what the rest will be, because this is the very main part of this. So when you pin it down like this, you just go ahead and cut it out. That is just it. So I'm cutting it out with 1/2 inch, just as you can see me do, and I will just go ahead and cut this other side as well with about 3/8 inch. So that is all. That is basically what this tutorial is about, and that is it. I cut it out. Now the next thing is just to use any kind of interfacing that you prefer, but I like using not so light interfacing but not so thick, okay? I will show you what I used. I just folded it into 2 to ensure that the 2 sides are the same, because they are supposed to be the same. So this is what I have, and I will go ahead and bring my interfacing. You see the kind of interfacing I'm using. This is what I have. It is sort of tissue, but it's not really tissue. It's thicker than the regular tissue paper stay, okay? So that is what I folded into 2 like so, and I will place my pattern, the turtleneck pattern like so, and just cut it out. Cut out the interfacing as you can see me do, and go ahead and use your iron and iron it down. It's so easy, and as easy as that, okay? So when I am done ironing it down, I'll show you what next to do. The full tutorial of this beautiful turtleneck crop top with the bell sleeve, I will upload in the next tutorial. I had to do this so that the tutorial will not be too long. You can see how I folded it and stitched it down, okay? I've applied the interfacing with my iron, and you can see what I did there. I'll go ahead and iron it properly so that that side that I folded in 1/2 inch will lie very flat, just as you can see. So this is what I have. I will bring in my top and then go ahead, and this is the middle that I'm notching, because I like, you know, starting from the midpoint. I'm starting from the mid back to stitch it round till I get to the front, and start from the mid back again and stitch it round to the other side till I get to the middle front where the turtleneck will be ending. I hope you understand. So if you like, you can pin it down all through, but I've already measured mine and it's rhyming perfectly. You know, I measured it at the beginning and it gave 16 inches, and that is exactly what it is, and is rhyming perfectly with the neckline. So having stitched it down, you can see what I have. I will now push it in properly and arrange it beautifully well. You can go ahead and use your pin, that is the office pins or the dressmaking pins, and pin it down appropriately. Then you stitch it down. Try and stitch very close to the end of the turtleneck so that everything will lie smooth and fine. Okay, so this is what I have. I'll go ahead and stitch it down, and this is what I have. You can see how beautiful it's looking. I'll just go ahead and put the buttons and the sleeve, which you are going to see in the next tutorial. I hope you like this. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.